Around the Way Training Consultants. Future solutions now. Hi there, awesome caregivers. This is Melanie with Around the Way Training Consultants. Around the Way Training Consultants is an agency that provides professional development to childcare professionals. Our training courses identify research-based best practices as well as Texas state standards. We offer self-paced, quality online training on numerous topics at an affordable price where you can get your clock hours and pre-service clock hours without hassle. Join us for an online workshop webinar or schedule an online webinar for your staff. Check out our calendar on our website at aroundthewaytc.com for upcoming events. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter for awesome deals. Subscribe to us on YouTube for childcare tips and tune into our blog where we get real, exposing childcare criminals and despicable daycares. Thank you for choosing Around the Way Training Consultants. Future solutions now.
Size.
Another step. Next.
Hair color.
Next.
Glasses.
Next. Next.
Younger or older.
Okay. Now, I'm going to leave that at that right now. If y'all notice, everything y'all said about these ladies did what? What did it do? It separated them, right? Now, I need you all to tell me something that's the same about these ladies. The ladies, as they do, I need you all to take one step back towards them.
They
That's
all
not
have flip
female.
children.
Okay.
All females.
Okay.
Yeah. They all have flip flops. All are wearing clothing.
One more.
All are beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what happens when you look at the similarities?
They come together.
We want them as well-rounded as possible because there's so much going on in the world right now, guys. And like Melanie was telling you all earlier, we spend you all in childcare. You all spend deep Kristen